MEXC has their SpaceX pre-sale happening right now. This is a token sale on the MEXC exchange. This is a pre-sale. I don't do too many videos on pre-sale, but because it's SpaceX, I definitely want to get that out there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's being offered on MEXC. All right, so I'll link this down below. This is the pre-sale page and what is being offered. Let's go over the key details of this token sale launch. This is a limited batch that's being allotted to MEXC. So we have the total distribution, which is going to be 7,700 of the SpaceX token that will be available on this exchange. Each SpaceX token, one token, is going to cost 650 USD. There is 3 different pools that we have down over here. We have the first one, which is going to be USDT. This is one option that you're going to have. This pool has an allocation of 3,100 of the SpaceX token. This pool is exclusive for new users. So if you're newly signing up, they have an allocation that's set aside for just new users. There is another pool over here for the same amount, 3,100, and this is going to be for existing users on the platform. And they also have a USD1 pool. This USD1 pool is going to be in that stablecoin USD1. The cost will be the same, 650. There is an allocation of 1,500 of the SpaceX token, and that will get us to the total distribution, which is 7,700. If you convert this into US dollars, the total amount will be 5,005,000 that they're going to be raising during this token sale. So how is this going to work? So users, new and existing ones, deposit USDT to subscribe, and they receive a proportional allocation of the tokens. New users will get exclusive benefits, which is going to be a higher subscription limit, which is going to go up to 200,000. If the offering is oversubscribed, allocations will be distributed proportionally based on how much each person has invested. Now, here is some other key things that you have to be aware of. KYC is required. So you must pass the advanced KYC, know your customer verification. This is not available to US residents or restricted countries. I'll make sure I link that in the description below so you can see if you're in there. I don't know if people are circumventing by using VPNs, because I know that's been done before. There might be safeguards against that, but I want to make sure that you know that there is restrictions. And this can't be a market maker or institutional user. So if you are a new sign up on the MEXC exchange, there's going to be some additional bonuses for you. This is just an incentive to get you through the door and sign up. One other important thing to note here is MEXC has a disclaimer that it does not guarantee that you'll be able to obtain the SpaceX stock tokens. If the project fails to deliver, users will get refunded their subscription price. This is essentially a pre-sale for the token that may or may not successfully launch. I don't see any major roadblocks, but that's definitely important to put out. So I'll make sure I'll put this down in the description below. You can go ahead and check this out. If you do get into it, let me know below. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.